Hello and welcome to recipe video. Yeah, I think I'm going to use a new format. It's going to be a straight up recipe video, and I do have Mike in hand today. Um, it's better for me. It's better for everything, I think, here for the moment. It's the way it's going to work. Professional decisions were made, changes were made. I'm professional with the sound. With that being said, let's get to the video. Okay, I'm gonna have to time this. So anyway, what I'm doing right here. And my recipe is called Hot and Cool Habanero Ginger Lime Ice Cream, and I think it's great. I've been working on this for over 2 weeks, somewhere in that area, over the 2 week mark, and I gotta say, it was definitely worth the time. It was so good. I loved it. If I could make this every day, I would. But sometimes it takes. I have a lot of stuff to make this with, so it's really cool. The only thing I'm low on is the ice cream. And when you're choosing ice cream, what I want to say is that choose wisely. Choose what brands you like. As far as pistachio ice cream goes, I'm not gonna recommend an ice cream. No ice cream makers endorse me or anything. At least right now, who knows? But they don't endorse me. Hey, look, I got flowers too. Isn't that cool? What do you know? Somebody gave me flowers. Um, but anyway, let's move along. I'm laughing. Anyway, anyhow, so I did a lot of color, and here's the recipe. So, you know what? I'm gonna be lazy and make you watch. Oh wow, what happened? I'm gonna make you watch the video to get the recipe. Okay, that's a smart one, Carl, because I get views, right? And views are important, I guess. You know what? Hold on. What are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do? Let's see. We're on the Algerian. I like this font for recipes. I think it's wicked cool. So that's 22, and this is gonna be 22 again. And I got my editing keyboard back, which is really cool. I broke the old editing keyboard, so it's nice to have that replaced, so I can get back to smooth operations here. So okay, so yes, it's hot and cool ice cream. I don't know if anybody's done this. I really don't. Maybe I thought of this. I don't know. I don't know where I got this from. I have no idea, and that's great. Because if somebody accused me of stealing the recipe, I'd be like, huh? I have no idea what they're talking about because I pulled this out of thin air tonight. Um, did I? No, something's bothering me. I think I was gonna throw up a fun edit of my batteries charging. Because I do have a interesting battery. I think I threw it up. I don't know. I do a lot of things around here, including trying to take care of myself and this place and my animal. Maybe I'll get animals. I want to get animals, but it's just right now the budget's tight. I don't have I don't have limitless funds right now. It's difficult, and I'm getting super frustrating right now. But it's only because the trademark is in it's in a lawyer's hands with the government right now. So I'm just dealing with that. But I did get out today and I did some maps and I did some cool stuff and I interacted with people and I got my name out there and I got my project out there, which is wonderful. That's a success to me right now. That's the way I'm going to have to look at it. So our recipe consisted of, you know what? I'm going to tell people what to do from now on. How to make the recipe in the video because it's gonna be a good idea. So I think I'm gonna start that tonight with this video because I definitely know I'm not where I want to be with these videos. I don't want to be talking too much about. Oh, guess what? I do talk about fun stuff sometimes. Oh, excuse my stomach. I guess I'm hungry. I don't know anymore. I think I ate. I don't care right now. I'm trying to get this out and done, and it's getting late. Wow. It's almost 11 already. Where does the time go? I've been working constantly all day. Yes, I need a break. I usually quit around 11 here, and thank God I just need to get out of this place before I go stir crazy. Um, you know, okay, focus. 5 minutes. So we're at the 5 minute mark. Oh, I was looking, I was looking at Al Roker's stuff today. He's a cool guy. I like him. He's a nice guy. I was looking at his stuff. What else was I looking at? Oh, I called. I think I mentioned this. I probably mentioned this in the other video. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just trying to fill time. I want this video to get up to at least 10 minutes, and I do have a timer here, and I do have a timer on the mic. It has a timer on it. Hooray! But you can get it while I'm babbling here. And I already edited this whole thing, but what I did is just kind of select. This is in Word, and I did what the um I don't remember how I did this now. I didn't want to teach it tonight, so um uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Habanero peppers, Algerian. I like the Algerian script. I think I mentioned that. But you know what? There's a way to do it, but I'm not really. This isn't it. This isn't that type of video. This is a recipe video. I don't feel like getting into word editing right now. It's actually just too complex for what I'm doing here. So what I made was let me make sure everything is getting recorded in the manner which is supposed to be in the proper way. So. Hot and cool habanero ginger lime ice cream, and it's really cool. It's spicy ice cream. It's definitely, for me, it's one of my edgy recipes that I like to, I like to do things that, people go, make you go, and definitely to create attention around what I'm doing here. This is something that I didn't just rip off a site. This is pulled straight out of the depths of my mind. And I did work very, very hard on this. And I did try to limit the ingredients to, I think, 5. Did I make it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't consider the whipped cream to be an ingredient, really, but kind of is. Anyway. I'm having a little, I think it's in the soil. There's these little flies that are flying around. I think they're soil flies because they weren't here until, I had some from the other soil I had, but they weren't here before I repotted my peppers. Oh, you want to see the peppers really quick? They're getting there. They're getting there. They're getting ready to be not repotted, but just moved or transferred or something like that. The problem I'm having with these guys right now is that the grow light I ordered from Amazon didn't arrive. I got it for a good price too, and it was just unfortunate because I really wanted it for that price, but I didn't get it, unfortunately. Maybe I'm gonna have to shoot Amazon an email and ask them what happened and see if they can maybe get me that light at what was promised on the deal. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna have to look into that. And because I want my light, and they made me a deal, and they won't make the deal again, at least because they don't know. So I got to get some customer service there, hopefully, and hopefully they will do that because I believe the peppers are important to what is going on here because I am a biologist. I have a professional degree in biology. I have a professional camera. I love research. I love taking photos. I love everything. I mean, I love everything about what I do. That's what makes me happy. Is that I love what I do. So I believe in it wholeheartedly. So anyway, with that being said, 1/8 teaspoon of lime juice. Just take the lime juice. You can anything you want. Concentrated, squeeze, whatever. Throw it in 1/8 teaspoon, just a little bit, kind of, and just spread it around. 1/3 of habanero peppers, and those are going to be thinly sliced. You don't want to put a big chunk of habanero. pepper on your ice because you're gonna get it really hit. And these are hot, so be careful. I mean, if you like less, you want to choose a little differently. Don't do that. Just use less. They are spicy. I'll be warning you, and I've already went over the colors in a different video or in a different post. It's 3 to 5 shelled. If you've been following, you'll know what I'm talking about. The green ones are mild, all the way up to the orange, really bright orange ones, which are very hot. Usually, it depends on it depends on the genetics and whatever. I don't want to get into that. 3 to 5 shelled, crushed in, or whole pistachio nuts. Okay, you put them on whatever way you want. Sliced crystallized ginger. Um, you know that the crystallized ginger is good for oh, it's tasty, and just cut it up. It's hard to cut though. Sometimes I had a problem with it. And oh, 1 cup of pistachio ice cream. Now, whatever type of ice cream you want to use, go for it. For mine, and I do not endorse them, I used Ben and Jerry's. It was very good. I've used Breyers with, that was good too. But I was using a light one with that, and it melted very quickly. So I didn't really attempt anything with it until I got the right ice cream. So you know what? If you like ice cream, if you like spicy things, if you like cool things, go out and get these ingredients and try the recipe because I worked hard. Thank you so much, and I'm glad to finally be publishing this tonight. Good night.